we do look at the emerging markets, which Africa continent falls under, with a very special focus. We have an enhanced business strategy that basically takes the customer into the heart of our trend and movements. And we try to basically serve the need of our customers by creating an open infrastructure ecosystem and platform that is fine for the business and basically serves the need of the service providers and partners in the region. In the Africa region in particular, as far as strategy is concerned, we anticipate changing market trends and conditions. And as a result of that, our strategy has been basically flexible to adapt to the market changing dynamics as we move along. But in a nutshell, we connect service providers and partners into our ecosystem to basically become more innovative and obviously integrate service providers with each other to drive monetization of their investments and obviously the cutting-edge services and technology that basically becomes available in the marketplace. The reason why connectivity into the African market is important is because our strategy continues to center around enabling global connectivity and collaboration, managed services, and from and to the African continent. We are strongly committed to the African continent. We have invested both in resources as well as infrastructure, building an infrastructure in almost 17 countries within the African continent. We cover around 37 countries one way or another, either through an in-country POP or through a network-to-network interface connectivity with partners. And we strongly believe that we have a strong infrastructure and coverage in the African continent. Mobility services falls also under the heart of our strategy globally. But with regards to the African continent, TATA Communications has been the partner of choice for most of the mobile network operators throughout the years. And in Africa in particular, we are trying to address the rapid growth of both the IP requirements that is basically being generated from the smartphone. And we consider Africa as one of the fastest growing regions when it comes to the mobile network MNOs growth. The MNOs need to get access to affordable and reliable IP transit to meet the needs of their increasingly demanding data-hungry application and customers is in the heart and core of our strategy. Therefore, we have developed a suite of services that basically help the mobile network operators in the region to capitalize on their investment and also build value-added services on top of their current offering, such as the LTE roaming, such as the LTE voice over LTE, plus several other services. So the MNOs are basically driving the growth of data in Africa, and we strongly believe that we are geared to serve that market. Absolutely. In fact, we as TATA Communications, we are a very strong player when it comes to the managed security services. As you may be aware, there has been lots of threats and attacks, cyber attacks globally. And we as TATA Communications have invested in almost several scrapping, what we call it, farms globally. And because we are a tier 1 IP backbone provider, we are in a very good position to clean the internet and deliver what we call a spam-free, industry-leading zero spam and zero phishing and zero malware services. We do help service providers and mobile operators to basically mitigate and protect any attacks into their networks, and we have been very successful in various regions, different parts of the world. One of the pillars of our global strategy is to build partnership. Obviously, we do have home country, but there is lots of markets where we feel there is a good potential, but our strategy has always been to work through partnership. And that is one of the things that we've been doing during the past few years, is to enable partners be able to go to market, serve the enterprise market by providing white labeled and partner-enabled services, helping the partner build his go-to-market plan, includes the services, the back office process, and what we call is QTC process, quote to cash kind of process, using best practices based on our past experience. And we have very valid examples and scenarios where we have deployed with other partners in different parts of the world, be it in the Middle East or Asia-Pac region.